Alright guys, how's it going? So, going through the pile of scored batteries, and I've got 3 of these. It's a 36 volt electric lawnmower battery, I believe, from the quick little Google I did. 36 volt, 3 amp hour. So, it's actually surprisingly heavy. It says lithium ion. Gardenia is a really well known brand in Australia for like garden hoses and stuff like that, so it's a little bit different. It was 2011 built. Looks like it's never been in a tool by the looks of things. 3 amp hour, 2 times 54 watt hour. Not why you wouldn't just say 108 watt hour, but it's 2 times 58 watt hour. Let's open him up. See what the go is. Stupid clutch. Stupid self-tapping plastic screws. 2, 3. Oh. 5. There's one there. Oh. Oh, what do we got in here? Look at this. Ho ho ho! Samsung 15Ls. Look at this for a setup. Look at the spacing around them, keep them cool. Oh wow. This is cool. There's the battery pack. Alright, so we've got the whole board out now. BMS and all. As you can see, it's got a potted up BMS with one exposed side there. It's all our wiring. It's got negative, negative, positive, positive. So I'm starting to think that it is actually a twin 18 volt battery, and that they may be need to lay it down on its back. See what's going on here. Ooh, 10 volts. $17 volts. 23 volts. So the outside one's got 10 volts. The inside one got 17 volts. Why would that read 23? Doesn't make much sense. $17 there. 17 there. Okay, yeah, it's 2 separate batteries. So, I'm thinking if we charge each side there, we might see what happens. I might go into the computer room and use that and see what happens when we charge it up across those terminals. Alright, I'll be back. Because if these are good as a unit, it'd be silly to pull them apart because they've got a BMS. At a minimum, we'd probably add a huge amount of extra cells in series and let the BMS manage them all. Numbers on the BMS don't mean a great deal. But yeah, that's what's going on. There's two 18-volt batteries that are nearly charged on there. So let's get the little power supply on it and see what happens. Alrighty, back again guys. We've got the multimeter probes in the, which ones are we in? We're in the outer, on the first one. Just got 17.58 volts. We're going to go ahead and crank up the current a little bit. Rated about 1.5 amps. So I'm actually using a laptop power supply for this time. Don't know if I mentioned that you can do that. Ooh, light flare. Just. Yeah. You get 1.5. That's boosted up to 18.21. The backlight on the screen's bright, isn't it? So what I'll do is I'll give that a few minutes while I'm monitoring it, while I'm doing stuff on the computer, and come back and we'll have a look, see what's going like. Okay, so it was all good, taking charge, put 1.5 amps through it, no problem at all. Sort of thing was happy, so I've just swapped to the next set there, and we've got the same 17.4. Turn the unit on, 1.5 amps heading into it. We'll give that a couple of minutes as well. BMS has got no temperature, so at the moment I'll just trust that. I think it might have been over discharged so that the stupid factory charger couldn't charge it. I think we might have 3 of these brand new 100 watt hour 18 volt battery modules. So 18 is probably more useful to me than 36 at the moment. I do have some 36 volt UPSs we could probably make something with. Because 300 watt hour at 36 volts with BMSs is not a bad start, you know. I don't know if you watch Will Prowse, but he plays with a lot of those portable lithium power generators. And yeah, these being in a brick form like this, we could probably make a box with some good power in it. So I will look at that. Alternatively, we could make a step down circuit to a 12 volt inverter. That'd be cool. Stack some of these up and get some life out of them, because I was going to process these for cells, but like I said, when I opened them up, you got this beautiful BMS, this beautiful cell spacing so that there's like air and cooling and big leads coming off it, and they're already stacked in there nice, so almost silly to destroy them. So for the time being, I'll leave these together and we'll charge them both up. I'll get a capacity test on them when I get a chance, and I'll update you. But yeah, that's pretty cool, I reckon. So it's obviously got a 18 volt BMS, and it's got a 36 volt BMS there. Crazy. So 5S and 10S. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video, guys.